Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum, greetings. alishanmao here. Let's fly M1 after a long time. I haven't flown helicopters for a while. Today, the only helicopter flight I had was with KDS Innova 550 just to test the battery. And I landed it pretty fast. I mean, pretty quick. I didn't fly it too long because anyway, the winds were so big, and still I see there's a thunderstorm approaching. Before that, I want to get a flight of M1. So here we go. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Idle up 1, and in stabilize mode, baby's mode, let's switch it off and enjoy some flight. I can see how the winds is affecting this baby. That's a little helicopter, and wind is really slapping it around, man. Look at that. When I go here, it actually pushes it down and pushes it really fast at that side. But with the collective pitch 6-channel 3D helicopters, this is the good thing. You can fly them in any winds conditions. Given that, you have skills to control them in this much winds. Let's hit the idle up 2 and see if that actually helps with the winds or not. In fact, I see a small difference in controls. Whoa, it can get really fast at this idle up, man. Let's hit the idle up 1, not 2. I see some very high vibration kind of oscillations as well when I go against the wind and in a fast forward flight. Okay, I will land, call it a day, because I don't want to tease the batteries too much. Good, I still have my skills, man. I still have my skills. I gotta practice more though. Thank you very much for watching this video. I just had a raindrop on my head. Rain has started. Let's go home. La 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 la. Alhamdulillah. What a nice cool rain, man. The rain has just started, and we have no choice but to go home. But I'm happy that we did everything today. Alhamdulillah. We tested everything. We had a crash on a OMP Hobby Bighorn. The plane is gone, but that's our life, RC person's life. It was pilot's fault, my fault. But I'm happy that we didn't have more crashes. I flew helicopters and was able to review everything that I brought out today. Alhamdulillah. So go ahead and enjoy the videos on my channel while I enjoy this rain. Alhamdulillah. Nice rain, man.